Tired of hunting through menus to toggle the grid in Draw.io? Here is the one shortcut that does it instantly. No more clicking around, no more wasted time. I have been there, digging through drop-downs, trying to find that setting, and it always takes longer than you think it should. But there is a much faster way, and I am going to show you exactly what it is. By the end of this video, you will be toggling that grid on and off in less than a second. So here is the plan. First, we will open your Jira account. Then we will open the diagram you want to edit. And finally, I will show you the exact keys to press to toggle the grid instantly. Simple and straightforward. Start by opening your Jira account. Now, if you are using Confluence, the process is essentially the same, but in this example, we are in Jira. Just go ahead and log into your account. You probably already have a tab open, so this should be quick. Get yourself to the main dashboard, or wherever your project lives. This is the foundation for everything else, so let us make sure you are in the right place before we move on. Next, open the diagram you want to edit. Head over to the specific project or board where your diagram is stored. In my experience, most people have their Draw.io diagrams attached to a ticket or a page, so click on the issue or the page that contains your diagram. When you see the whiteboard or the diagram embed, go ahead and click into it. This will launch the full Draw.io editor. You will know you are in the right spot when you see the familiar Draw.io toolbar at the top and the canvas with all your shapes and connectors in the middle. If you were looking at a static image instead, just double-click on it, and that should open the editable version. Now for the key step. To toggle the grid, press Ctrl, Shift, and G on your keyboard all at the same time. On a Mac, you would press Command, Shift, and G. That is it. Just those three keys together. The first time you press it, the grid will disappear from your canvas. This is great if you want a cleaner view of your diagram, especially when you are presenting or taking a screenshot. Then, when you need precision alignment again, just press the same combination again and the grid comes right back. I have tested this across different versions of Draw.io in both Confluence and Jira, and it works every single time. It is one of those shortcuts that once you know it, you will wonder how you ever lived without it. And that is all there is to it. No more wasting time digging through menus. Just Ctrl, Shift, G to show the grid, and Ctrl, Shift, G again to hide it. It is that simple. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.